Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY Nomi 987. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, we've got something exciting lined up for you. Today, we're going to build a simple hydraulic system using basic materials you can find at home or at your local hardware store. It's an engaging project that will not only be fun, but also educational. This is a great project for understanding the principles of hydraulics, which are used in many machines and tools around us. You'll see how pressure and fluid mechanics work together to create movement, and it's super easy to do. So gather your materials, follow along, and let's get started on this fascinating journey into the world of hydraulics. You're gonna love it. For this project, you'll need 2 syringes, some flexible tubing, and water. You can also add a small load if you want to test the lifting power of your hydraulic system. First, connect the 2 syringes using the flexible tubing. Ensure that the tubing fits snugly onto the tips of the syringes. This connection is crucial for the system to function properly. Make sure the connection is tight to prevent any leaks. A loose connection can cause the system to fail, so double-check that the tubing is securely attached to both syringes. Next, fill the system with water by drawing water into one of the syringes. Slowly pull back the plunger to draw water into the syringe, ensuring there are no air bubbles in the tubing. This will ensure that your system is fully primed and ready to go. A fully primed system means that the water can move freely between the syringes without any obstructions. Now, when you push down on one syringe, the water will create pressure and move the piston in the other syringe, demonstrating the basic principle of hydraulics. This pressure transfer is what allows hydraulic systems to perform work. You can use this setup to lift small objects, simulating how hydraulic systems work in machines. This simple demonstration shows how powerful hydraulic systems can be, even in a small DIY project. Let's see it in action. As you can see, when I push down on this syringe, the other one lifts this small object with ease. This simple system can be the basis for understanding more complex hydraulic machines. And that's it. You've successfully built your very own hydraulic system from scratch. A simple yet effective hydraulic system that you can make at home with just a few materials and some patience. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button to let us know. Share it with your friends and family who might also be interested in fun and educational DIY projects. And don't forget to subscribe to your channel name for more exciting and informative DIY projects that you can try at home. Also, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. We upload new videos regularly, and you won't want to miss out on any of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy building and stay creative. Check out these other videos for more awesome projects, and remember to subscribe.